Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to create your own custom stickers using Instagram. It's a fun way to personalize your chats and express yourself with stickers made from your own images. Let's get started. Open Instagram and go to any chat. At the bottom of the chat screen, tap on the sticker icon to open the sticker library. From here, select the Cutout Sticker option, and you'll be asked to pick an image from your phone's gallery. Choose the image you want to turn into a custom sticker. Instagram's cutout tool has two modes. The automatic option will try to detect the main object in your image and cut it out for you. If you want more precision, you can use the manual option to trace the shape yourself. Take your time and outline the object as accurately as possible. Once you're happy with the cutout, you can resize, reposition, and rotate the sticker to get the look just right. When you're done, tap Save Sticker, and it's ready to use. And that's it! You've just created your own custom Instagram sticker. Feel free to share your creations with me in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.